Naija sef, they can't cook jollof, they can't hold simple election. So apart from eba and bitter leaf soup, what else can they do? Me and you know our own, I better pass. Leave them, they deceive themselves. They say no only bitter leaf. They say no only bitter leaf na eba na we sabi. Things where people postpone because of 16th February 2019 general elections. No big small vex country people vex after Nigerian Election Office, the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, postponed the 2019 general election, we're supposed to hold for 16th of February. Part of the reasons why people they vex now because they don't already postpone something where them supposed do on February 16th, go another date. See some of the things where people postpone because of the election. Number one, I don't postpone my wedding go this Sunday after the new election date. Tony and Chinelo for like do their church wedding on February 16th. But them got fixed and for February 23rd because of the presidential election where supposed hold on Saturday. Imagine the kind shock, frustration and confusion will fool their mind. And when them here say INEC don't postpone the election to the date when them don't already set for their wedding. I don't move my wedding to the Sunday after the new election date. But I dey fear say if Kasala burst after the election on February 23rd, if it affect movement for my wedding. Put on you tell BBC. Number two, burial. Some people will be moved burial ceremony of their loved ones because of the election we're supposed to hold on Saturday. Go need to postpone them to another date again. Number three, school resumption. Tertiary institutions don't they ready to resume full class work across Nigeria on Tuesday, 19 February, after the Academic Staff Union of Universities, the Union of Government University Lecturers Union, call off their almost 3-month strike. But Solomon will be student of University of Lagos. Tell BBC say, if not say this election postponement go make some students no one resume till after the February 23rd new election date. It's school holidays. Some primary and secondary schools for Nigeria don't give their students holiday for from Thursday 14th February until Tuesday 19th February to resume, to make sure say things don't die down before they come back to school. Beatrice will be one oga madam of one school inside Lagos. Tell BBC say she go need call her students and teachers to come school on Monday 18th February as the election no hold again. She dey worry say her teachers no go find them easy because she know say them go don set other plans for that Monday. You know fit cook jollof rice. Election turn fiasco. So what Nigerians fit do well? Ghanaians shade Nigerians. Ghanaians start the throw shade at Nigerians after the Independent National Electoral Commission INEC announced say them they postpone the election for 1 week hours to the polls. West African neighbor Ghana, they wonder what else Nigerians go fit do well. Sake of them no dey fit cook jollof. Elections too, they no fit hold them. Then post for Facebook, oh Nigeria, you can't cook jollof. Elections too, fiasco. So what are you good at? Can't cook jollof, can't hold an election. What at all can you do? Ghana and Nigerians get this friendly love-hate relationship where they make them tease each other most times. Check like Ghanaians take advantage of the latest outcome of the Nigerian election to draw blood from them and neighbors. Some Ghanaians enter social media, they ask Naija say, apart from eba and bitter leaf soup, what else them fit do? Sake of they know they fit cook jollof. The elections too, they know they sick pa. Naija sef, they can't cook jollof, they can't hold simple election. So apart from eba and bitter leaf soup, what else can they do? The dramatic move by INEC to postpone the election for 1 more week shock Nigerians themselves. As them know they bab how INEC go take 4 years to prepare, then talk say sake of logistic issues, then they postpone them. INEC chairman Mahmoud Yakubu talk say to go on plus the election as scheduled no longer be feasible. He talk say this be difficult decision, it be necessary sake of them want ensure free and fair electoral process. INEC scheduled the presidential and parliamentary elections go Saturday 23rd February. And people they talk and say na condition I make crayfish bend. I be no be so. They say na condition I make crayfish bend. Now we now Ghana they talk to anyhow. Now we now they talk to now we now Ghana they talk to anyhow. We will be giant of Africa. We will be giant of Africa. See how they take us to clean ground. See, you go blame them. Now we be giant of Africa. Ordinary election we no fit do. 4 years to prepare. You can't remember how many minutes they cancel her. They cancel her. But you know, say for that our country, not a surprise person anymore. Which Nigerian person go saying surprise too much? Me, I'm not surprised. You know, say that our country, anything can happen. Ordinary election. Ordinary election. Whether not because they mago where they plan, they never arrange her well, so they won't really arrange her. Now make they cancel her. We don't know. How you go just 4 years plan for election? You can't remember how many minutes you can't cancel her. That one makes sense. Now we be giant of Africa. Now we be giant of Africa. Now we no fit to do ordinary. Now we no fit to do ordinary election. People we don't cancel their wedding. That couple don't cancel wedding from last Saturday. Now, the next Saturday where they choose, now the day where they go put their wedding. So they go cancel their wedding now 2 times. Check they see. Yeah? And make another thing where I want to tell you now. Where before I forget. Another thing. For this obodo you bow me idea. Whether they do election, they know they do election. They go still go work. They go still go anywhere they won't go. They feel no close. They go vote till maybe 8 o'clock or something like that. People will close from work go go vote. You know go see queue. Nobody they fight for street. You know go everybody say they do election. Everybody goes to waka. They go in. They come outside. Our own only like say the world won't end. I don't see people for this abroad where I did. They go wear wedding dress on their way to go do their wedding. They go stop for police station. They go vote. Go their police. They go vote from there. They go wedding. But Nigeria, when they want to do election, they go shut down the whole country. They go just shut down the whole country. Just ordinary election. Ordinary election. I don't vote many times for this country. No, they never ever close anything. Never. If you won't go, first thing in the morning you go. Some people are during their lunch break said that they go vote. Very peaceful, quiet place. No kata, nothing. Very peaceful. Go, they know the queue. Oh. They know the queue. Only a few people enter. Do your own come out. In 2019. 2019. They go close the whole country. Because this one now where they postpone their wedding. They don't need to postpone their wedding. To say our country they organized. Now we now Ghana can't they laugh. You blame them. You blame them. Just like I talked last night. No the condition make crayfish burn. Now condition make crayfish burn now. When you even talk for jollof rice, we know saying our own jollof rice better pass. Not say for their mind that their own better pass. Me and you know say our own I better pass. Leave them they deceive themselves. They say no let bitter leave. They say no let bitter leave now and bala we sabi. Now so Ghana people talk. Say no only bitter leaf soup. We don't suffer. They say no let bitter leaf soup and banana we sabi. They forget our pounded yam, our amala, akpu. They forget other one. Abi starch. They say no only eba and the bitter leaf soup. Upon all the five soup we get a gusi, we get ogbono, we get a okra, we get a wedu, edik icon. What did they worry there? Edik icon. They say no only bitter leaf soup. Oh, edik icon, achi, oha. Ghana don't they insult us now because of election. It will say we will be giant of Africa. We will be giant of Africa. Shout out our people they disgrace us. We can't be like saying that we be the ants of Africa, but now we be giants of Africa before. Yeah? If ordinary Ghana now they get mad. Ordinary Ghana now they get mad for where we did. You blame them? You don't blame them now. Eh? No blame them. What I want to talk about? They say they want a sure free and fair election. They want a sure free and fair election. Now, free and fair. It's no longer fair already now. It's still free and fair election. Not today. Free and fair election not today. My people will leave this matter, Ojari. I see this one for news now. I say I can't share it with you now. When I read them, I laugh because me I laugh where. I felt laugh when I say that they say no let bitter leaf soup. Now we say we don't fit cook jollof. We don't fit do election. Eh? Anyway. By the way, now we don't know. No say na joke, Ghana they joke. No say na joke that they joke because some of them go take us seriously now. Some of them take us seriously now. Begin to attack them. Me I know say na joke that they joke. You know say all this about fight about jollof rice. Some people don't know say that jollof rice fight self na joke. It still be na joke. Me I no turn out to fight. No ordinary joke. Ghana they joke with us. But if you really think about Asha, if you think about her, ordinary election we know if you do, and I will be the giant of Africa. I will be the giant of Africa. It be as it get now. It be as it get. Eh? It be as it get. Our country, God will help us. So may God help us because we don't know sometimes whether would they go front or would they go back. Whether would they go front or would they go back. Eh? And the thing again, at the end of the day, you sure say they never really know who they want make the winner. You sure? We sure? Only say my own, I say make people go vote. What you go do now? What is the point? Some people go say what be the need to vote. They don't already choose who to go win. You know, some people believe say whether you vote or not, or they don't already rig am. They don't already know who they don't already know the result because they don't already pull hand where they won't pull hand. That's what some people believe. You know, but the thing I say, what you go do as a citizen, not to go still cast your vote. Eh? Not to still go cast your vote. I don't even know what I want to put again. I just see that. Anyway, I just see that one for news. I say me I can read that for now. As I don't talk rich like that, may I leave her for there until next time, my people. Now do what say I can watch my video. May I leave her for there until next time, my people. Now bye bye you. Now bye bye.